Alright, so we got a plugged urinal here, obviously. We tried snaking the clean out and it's clear, so we're gonna have to remove the trap and see what we find inside. What is people spitting inside there? What is all that stuff? Hey, somebody?
Stones for the kids.
Kidney stones?
Yeah, man.
That's an awful lot. Holy fuck. If I seen that coming out of mine, I'd be getting that checked out.
You never know, man.
Crazy, eh? Urinals gotta be the worst.
What's wrong with you? Look at this a bit. It looks so exciting, so out of
You find gold?
No. It's running, just not good. Can you flush that one? You guys put acid in here? Drain cleaner, liquid plumber?
So yeah, cleaning stuff. I'm gonna clean it this morning because there's lots of water all around. You feel it?
Feel it on my skin. You guys gotta stop using stuff like that. Or at least let us know that you use it.
Yeah, you're right. Well, it might be like the clean solution. No, bleach. Normal stuff that we clean. Yeah, you should. Yeah, I mean, that's my fault.
That's a lot better. What do you think? Better?
Seen better?
You've seen better?
Yes.
It's not bad.
No, don't put it there. Okay. No.
What do you mean?
Put it in the toilet.
What's the difference?
You're gonna go inside.
As long as the paper towel don't go down.
Okay.
We go to places and we empty out kitchen sinks, right?
Okay.
And then we go to pour the water back in the kitchen sink and people start freaking out.
Of course.
Why?
You took.
It's the exact same thing. It's going down a drain. It's not like it was clean.
No, but what I mean is kind of like.
So is it? Are you not going to clean it afterwards? The sink, right?
At least the sink, not the urinal again.
What's the difference in a urinal? Urinal's worse.
That's okay.
You'll be all right.
You know what you're doing. That's important.
I think so.
Yeah.
Now, if I started cleaning the urinal with that's different. But I'm not cleaning it with dirty water, you know what I mean? Good?
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Oh,
Now complaints.
No complaints. Just about putting water down the urinal.
Go ahead.
What happened? Didn't there used to be another guy here, Ali?
Ali retired.
Retired?
Yeah, Ali retired, buddy.
Must be nice, eh?
Ali retired.
How long ago was that?
About by the time of by the time the COVID.
Oh, really?
I
Eh?
didn't take it anymore.
Just wanted
Yeah,
to
it
be
used to
done.
be
Eh?
safe and everything, so I just retired. A question for you. We have another site, 7900 Airport Road. They have some issue with the urinal too. So should I call the company or you can just call them and say there is another site that you can go over there?
Where?
7900 Airport Road. That's Steeles and Airport Road. Steeles Avenue and Airport Road.
What is it?
It's a Menasha, it's another Menasha site. It's up to you.
Oh, me, I don't care. You're
Yeah, but I
gonna, you're
mean-
gonna get billed twice.
Yeah, but I don't know what's the protocol. Like, I call the office or you call the office and say, well, there is something.
Is it backed up drains?
The same issue right here.
Same issue? Yeah, I don't see why not. Call it.
But when you do the builds, you gotta do different. One for here and
Yeah.
one for them.
Yeah.
So should I call Dina?
Call her, just let her know that I'm here.
Okay.
And
You're
I'm from,
available to go over there.
yeah, tell her I'm from Drain Tack, right? Because they're the one, they get us in here.
Probably he want to talk to you. She wanna talk to you.
I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Until next time, ta-ra.